Hello, guys. I was talking and my mic was off. Hello, guys. A very good morning to you and welcome to the Trading Cage. I am Thiago Andrade and I'm just coming here to show you what actually happened after our live today. Okay. So, after our live today, I did say that the market could come and take us out. Okay. I went long here on candle 173 after 172 actually broke through and closed above candle 170 and candle 169. So candle 175 came through and took me out on my stop here below candle 171. Just showing you guys that we are using that smaller account, okay, that we just opened up for um, our arena, okay, just for the trading cage. So what actually happened here is it took us on a stop of 170 bucks. And then what we did is we waited for the movement to come back up. And then since the stop was very long, we couldn't really use the same hand. So we had to lower our hand a little bit and use less lots for our risk management. And then we went into a buy. So we went long from here to this maximum high, got a take of $306. So that's in the account. So it took out that little stop that we took, and we still made another 130 something dollars. So that was really cool. Market has renewed the maximum high of the structure, but it's fighting through here quite hard simply because if you look to the left, there's a lot of trigger candles here and there's a lot of resistance in that region. Okay, we still have got that little bit of inefficiency to be taken off. Where is it? Come on, mate. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, there we go. Let me see if I can do this. Um, so there is still that little bit of inefficiency in there. But right now you can see where the price is, it's pretty much touching all the support, these triggers to the left. So this is what is holding the price a little bit, okay? But that's it. It is Friday, so on Fridays, I'm not gonna be here for a very long time. I would just do my trade and get out because it is the weekend, mate. We're traders. We are here just to do that little bit to look after our families and to have a comfortable life. And then we'll move on. Next day on Sunday night, I'll be together with my students once again for the opening of the Asian market. And then we'll have another take then. Okay. So this is pretty much it. Price can still continue until the region of 5100. Okay. It has got a good target in that region. I'm just not going to be uh, trading this afternoon. I do have other businesses to attend to. So it has been awesome to be here with you guys. Um, this is the trading cage where we beat the gold. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is just a very quick video to show you what our reading was and exactly what happened to the price. Okay. I hope to see you Monday, 9 o'clock Brazilian time, here on our next live of the trading cage. See you guys. Have an awesome weekend.